Explaining volume discounts. You probably know somebody or are the very person who goes to, say, Costco and gets twice a lifetime supply of toilet paper. And that might make sense, especially in a dire emergency. And I don't mean a bad burrito. And most of us are familiar with the price tags, now electronic for ease of change, and the small print will even show the cost per volume, and the assiduous might know this happens to be a European one. And often the larger size will be cheaper on a cost per basis. Not always, sometimes there's some rip-offs if you get the extra large family cereal box because people are habituated, but that's just a rip-off. And you may recall that volume is to the cube power, and the surface area is the square, and let's say there's 6 sides to the square. And in this example, to make the math easy, let's say the dimensions are twice, and so the volume would be, if there's 1, that would be, well, squared is still 1, and the number of sides is 6, and if we double the length of the edge, we'll have a volume that is now 8, and the surface area is now 24. And let's say in this example, the cost for each unit of volume is $1, and the surface area costs 10 cents, and we can figure out the total, and we get 160, 1040. But of course, what you're going to do is figure it out on a volume basis, and that turns out to be $1.60 for the small one and $1.30 for the larger one. No surprise. And we can even do the math, solving on a cost per volume basis, and we see it shrinks as it gets larger. And by the way, for you sci-fi fans, this is why you can't have those extra large creatures, because they literally could not stand up. With Dr. C Invests.